Here's a pair of the Soundcore Q20i headphones. I'm going to show you how to put it in pairing mode, how to connect to one device, then how to connect to two devices, which is called a multi-point connection, and then how to factory reset these. So we're first going to connect to my Samsung Galaxy S26, and after that we'll connect to my iPhone 17e. So the headphones are currently off. Let me go ahead and turn these on. The one ear cup here with all the buttons here, there's a power button here in the middle. I'm going to press and hold for a few seconds and just wait till the light turns on. There it is. You can see that white blinking light. Now let me wait a few seconds to see what happens here. Okay, perfect. So mine is blinking blue right now, which indicates it's in pairing mode, okay? I haven't connected no devices or paired no devices near me, okay? So we're in pairing mode, perfect. Now let me connect to one of the devices. I'll just go ahead and connect to this Samsung Galaxy S26. So we want to go to Bluetooth settings. So we're going to go to settings on this phone here. We're going to go to settings. And then from here on this model, you want to go to connections. And then we're going to tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Let's tap on Bluetooth. Now the spinny thing over there is looking for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, and it will show up down here under available devices. It did find the Q20i right there. Let's tap on that. We should get a pairing request with these Android phones here. Tap on pair. And I just heard the connecting chime, and you can see the blue solid light, and then it turns off. And it also says that we're connected here. So we're connected, ready to go. Now let's say we put this phone down, and let's say you want to connect to another device like your TV or another phone or your computer. So now let's go ahead and connect to my iPhone. Now in order to connect this to this iPhone, I have to first put the headphones into pairing mode, okay? So now if I go ahead and let me turn these off. Currently they're connected to this Samsung Galaxy S26 here. So the headphones are off. Let me turn these off first. Let me press and hold the button for a few seconds. The power button. Okay, there you go. Now it just turned off. Okay, now the headphones are off. Now, originally when we turned it back on, we just press and held and wait till the light comes on. Okay, but this time we got to do is press and hold that power button and keep holding and just wait until it starts blinking blue. Then we can connect to this phone, okay? So they're currently off. Power button here, press and hold, ready, go. Hold it and just keep waiting until it turns blue. I'm still holding, I'm not gonna let go, wait. Okay, now it's blinking blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Okay, now we can connect to the other phone here, and we're gonna go to the Bluetooth settings here, go to settings, this is the iPhone here, and then we're gonna go Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and that little spinny thing down there is again searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet or so. Soundcore Q20i, I found them. Let me tap on that right there. Oh, I just heard a connecting chime, and now we're also connected. Okay, so now if I use YouTube app, and I can listen to the audio from here, but then if I turn it off and I turn this phone on and turn on YouTube or music, then the audio will come out from this phone here. Now, the last thing here is let's go ahead and factory reset these earbuds, okay? So let's say you have an issue, one side's not working, one side's volume's lower than the other, or the volume's super low, you're getting static, maybe the audio is delayed, and so on. So how we do that, okay? So what we have to do first is we have to make sure that the headphones are on. Okay, so these headphones are on, okay? Now, while the headphone is on, the next thing you want to do is press two buttons and press and hold. It's going to be the power button and the volume up, the plus. Press and hold, keep holding until you get some amber flashes here, okay? So we'll do this together. Volume up, power, and also the headphones are on, okay? Power, volume up, ready, go. Press and hold, just keep holding, just wait for like 5 or 6 seconds or so. Okay, there's amber, you can see it right there. Go ahead and let go, and just wait a moment here, and it should automatically start blinking blue. So the factory reset is done, and it's blinking blue, and it's back into pairing mode. Now here's the thing. If you want to connect back to one of your devices, let's say if it was an iPhone or your TV or whatever, we were connected to it, we factory reset it, but it doesn't delete it off the Bluetooth pairing list. So if I want to connect back to this iPhone here, I have to go back to my Bluetooth settings, and then under my devices, that Soundcore is right here in the pair list. I have to delete it from here. Let me click on that I, and I'm going to forget this device. On a Android phone, it'd be like unpair. Some TVs would be like delete. Okay, so now it's gone. All right, and we're still in pairing mode. I'm going to connect back here. Let me just turn the Bluetooth off. Let me turn it back on and rescan, and give it one moment, and voila, Q20i is back. Tap on that, and we're back in business. Any questions or issues, just comment below.